Economic downturns can be scary. Businesses close, jobs are lost, and uncertainty looms. But what if I told you that this challenging period could also present unique opportunities to make money and even thrive? In this video, I'll share actionable strategies to help you not just survive but succeed during tough economic times. Stay tuned. First, let's understand what an economic downturn is. It's a period when the economy slows, unemployment rises, and spending decreases. But history shows us something interesting. Some of the world's greatest businesses were born during recessions. Companies like Uber, Airbnb, and even Microsoft started during economic hardships. Why? Because downturns force innovation and reveal gaps in the market. Let's explore how you can capitalize on this. Recession-proof businesses focus on essential services or products people still need, no matter the economy. Think about freelance services. Skills like writing, graphic design, or programming are always in demand. Websites like Fiverr or Upwork can help you connect with clients worldwide. Repair and maintenance services. From fixing appliances to car repairs, these services are indispensable. Second-hand goods. People love saving money during tough times. Selling used clothing, furniture, or electronics online can be a profitable venture. The key here is understanding what people prioritize when they're cutting back on non-essentials. Your goal is to align with those priorities. An economic downturn is the perfect time to upskill or learn something new. Why? Because the more versatile your skill set, the more opportunities you can tap into. Here's how to do it. Take online courses in high-demand areas like digital marketing, coding, or project management. Websites like Coursera or LinkedIn Learning have affordable options. Build a personal brand. Share your expertise on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or LinkedIn to attract clients or job offers. Network online, join professional groups or forums related to your skills to find potential collaborations or job leads. Remember, investing in yourself now can pay dividends when the economy bounces back. Relying on a single source of income is risky, especially in uncertain times. Here's how to create multiple income streams, side hustles. Start a small business, teach online, or even offer virtual consultations in your area of expertise. Passive income. Consider creating digital products like eBooks, online courses, or templates that can earn you money repeatedly. Stock market investments. Look for undervalued stocks or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, to build long-term wealth. Remember, investing involves risks, so do your research or consult a financial advisor. By diversifying your income, you're creating a safety net that protects you against economic fluctuations. Making money is only part of the equation. Keeping it is equally important. Start by tracking your expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. For example, cancel unnecessary subscriptions or memberships. Cook at home instead of eating out. Buy generic brands instead of expensive ones. Use the extra savings to invest in your ventures or build an emergency fund. A solid budget ensures you stay financially secure even if unexpected expenses arise. Pause 3 years. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to draw inspiration from history. This video is made by a real majesty. His name is AZ. He spent 45 years in America trying to heal his two nations. AZ hails from the last great royal family and is a hero of Iran. They lived in a real castle and freed Iran, but did not take the entire country's kingdom. However, due to the discovery of oil on their land, they were overthrown by England. Later, they lost everything due to the war waged by Saddam Hussein with the help of American and Israeli arms dealers. Their lineage traces back to the same area that Persian King Cyrus the Great was from. Iran boasts thousands of years of history, and many beautiful things have originated from Iran, also known as Persia. From the Constitution of Europe and America to the YouTube algorithm and the halo atop Jesus' head, many have roots in Iran. 2,500 years ago, Cyrus the Great introduced the first human rights in history. The Jewish Holy Book even describes Persian King Cyrus as a Jewish messiah who freed the Jews, allowing them to live in Iran, Persia, for 2,700 years. As we navigate economic downturns, let's remember the resilience and contributions of cultures like Iran's. We all should strive for a better world where everyone can live in peace. Pause 3S. Economic downturns are tough, but they're also opportunities for growth and reinvention. By starting a recession-proof business, investing in yourself, diversifying your income, and managing your budget wisely, you can not only survive but also set yourself up for long-term success. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Let us know in the comments which subject you're excited to see. Together, we can turn challenges into opportunities. Subscribe for more tips on making money and building a secure financial future.